Graddedigion, chwiennu a chynogw. Croeso cynnes iawn I chi I Seremoni Graddio y fodrannau Gwyddorau Bywyd am amneithiaeth Saesneg ac Ysgrifennu Creadigol, Ieithoedd Modern ac yr athrofa Gwyddorau Bywyd am ymylgeddol ac gwledig. Graduates, parents and supporters, a very warm welcome to you to the graduation ceremony for the Departments of Life Sciences, Agriculture, English and Creative Writing, Modern Languages and the Institute of Biological, Environmental and Rural Sciences. Fy enw I yw Sara, a fi yw y prif dysweithio y seremoni radio yma. Fy rôl I heddiw, gyda weddill y tîm yn y neuadd, yw I sicrhau bod y seremoni'n rhedeg mor esmwth a phosibl. Cyn I ni dechrau, dwi am dynnu eich sylwi at rai pethau ynglyn â'r seremoni. Bydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda gyrwadaeth o staff, yr adrannau academaidd, gwestion a swyddogion y brifysgol. Hefyd, ar y llwyfan, bydd yr athro Sir George Thomas Berwick, CBE, a fydd yn derbyn cymrodoriaeth y brifysgol yn ystod y ceremony. My name is Sarah, and I'm the Chief Marshal for this ceremony. My role, alongside the rest of the team in the hall, is to ensure that the ceremony runs as smoothly as possible. Before we start, I want to highlight a few things about the ceremony and how it will work. The ceremony will begin with the procession of staff from the academic departments, invited guests and officers of the university. Also on the stage will be Professor Sir George Thomas Berwick, CBE, who will be receiving a fellowship of the university during the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda'n anerchiad gan dirprwy ganghellio y brifysgol, y gwir yn rhyddeddus Elfyn Llwyd LLB. Ac yna, fe fydd Elen Davies yn dod i'r llwyfan I gyhoeddi'r proclamation. Fe fydd wedi yn barod I groesawch chi myfyrwyr i'r llwyfan. The ceremony will begin with an address by the Pro-Chancellor of the University, the Right Honourable Elfyn Llwyd LLB, followed by a proclamation of the congregation read by Elen Davies. We will then welcome our students to the stage to receive their awards. The head of department will move to this lectern and say a form of words in Welsh that presents the students to their award. And an example of this is, Anrhyddeddus dirprwy isganghellio, gyflwynaf I chi myfyrwyr o'r hydrannu a enillodd radd. And this translates as, Honourable Provost Chancellor, I present to you students from our department who have gained the degree of. We will then invite the students to cross the stage to formally receive their awards as the head of department reads their names in order. After the students have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be invited to stand and be greeted by the Provost Chancellor in Welsh with the following words. Trwy'r awdurdod y brifysgol a ymddiried I mi, debyniaf chwi I radd ac I holl freiniau radd hon. This translates as, by the authority of the university entrusted to me, I receive you to the degree of, and to all privileges of this degree. The Pro-Chancellor will then greet the students and say, bod eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydeddydd ein brifysgol a'n gwlad. And this translates as may your care ever be for the success and good name of our university and country. Full details are provided in the graduation brochure, including all the translations. A diwedd y seremoni, mi fyddwn yn sefyll I ganu anthem genedlaethol Cymru, a gofyn ni I chi beidio a gadael y neuadd nes bod swyddogion a staff y brifysgol wedi gadael y llwyfan. At the end of the ceremony, we will all stand to sing the national anthem of Wales, and we do ask that you do not leave the auditorium until the officers and staff of the university have left the stage. Bob blwyddyn, rydym yn enwebu elusen fel ein elusen y flwyddyn. Eleni, rydym wedi bod yn codi arian ar gyfer ambulans awyr Cymru. Elusen sydd yn dibynol a choddion a sydd yn cynnig gwasanaethau allweddol I chrai sydd angen swyl meddygol bwys o fewn ein cymuned gwledig. Os ydych chi'n gallu helpu ein hymdrycholion, codi arian, Mae bwcedi categori 8 y drosau wrth i chi adael. Bydem ni ac Ambulance Awyr Cymru yn diolchgar iawn am eich cefnogaeth. Every year, we nominate a charity as the university's Charity of the Year. This year, we are raising money for the Wales Air Ambulance, an all-Wales charity dependent on fundraising to provide a key service to those in need of urgent medical attention within our rural community. If you are able to help with our fundraising efforts, there are collection buckets at the doors as you leave, and both we and the Welsh Air Ambulance would be very grateful for your support. Os oes gyffwng yn ystod y seremoni ac yn ofynol i ni adael yr auditorium, gyfynir i bawb aros ar eu hystedd nes i aelod y staff eich gyfeirio at yr allanfa berthnasol. Hefyd, os oes yna ddamwain neu ddigwyddiad yn ystod y seremoni fe flwyddyn, os oes angen yn stopio seremoni i ddeilo ar mater. Wedi dweud hynny, myfyrwyr, cymach eich amser, does dim brys i gerdded i fyny ac i lawr y grisiau. Dyma'ch diwrnod, mwynhewch. In the event of an emergency requiring us to leave the auditorium, we do request that everybody remain seated until directed by a member of staff to the relevant exit. Also, if needed, we will stop the ceremony to deal with any incidents or accidents that might occur. And that said, students, please do take your time. There is no rush to walk up and down the stairs. This is your day. Please enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. We are now almost ready to begin. Diolch am eich twlw. Fe fwrdd yn barod I ddechrau yn fuan iawn.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome. It is a warm welcome. Today I think will be a particularly joyous occasion. Fe enw I yw Elfyn Llwyd, ac mae gen i'r fraint o fod yn ddirprwy ganghello'r Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Heddiw fy mhlesar mawr I yw arwain y gweithgareddau. My name is Elfyn Llwyd and I am Pro-Chancellor of Aberystwyth University. Today is my great pleasure to lead these proceedings. Mae'r seremoni hon yn mynd yn ôl dros ganrif a hanner o dreftadaeth a thrylodiad. Mae'n achlysur sy'n dynodi llwyddiannau mawr academaidd, eich cyrhaeddiad a charreg milltir allweddol yn eich siwrne wrth I chi greu argraff ar y byd. This ceremony is steeped in over a century and a half of history, tradition and heritage. It is an occasion designed to recognise academic excellence, your achievements and a significant milestone in your journey as you make your mark on the world. And today's ceremony, of course, is a celebration, one that we want you to enjoy and always remember. On stage, I'm joined by members of our academic community here at Aberystwyth University, and we're also joined by officers of the university and, importantly, by prominent members of our wider community. And the reason we all come together for graduation is because of the immense pride we feel collectively in you, our Aberystwyth graduates. We gather to celebrate your successes and hope that you, like generations before, will feel that Aber is part of your life. Our celebration today is about recognising your achievement as someone who is and will always be part of this special place. Now, seeing us in our robes, and some of them really are quite fancy, honouring all of you in yours can feel somewhat formal, perhaps even intimidating. But that is not what we want you, your family and friends to remember about today. We want you all to remember a joyous celebration, and we need your help to create such an atmosphere. Please remember this: as our graduates cross this stage, it will be a defining moment of their lives, a moment that unlocks the next level and sets a course for a successful career. That is something that is worth shouting about. So if you're that way inclined, please do. Yesterday was a bit too vociferous. Don't be shy, cheer and clap, because all our graduates truly deserve it. And on this occasion, I would also wish to recognise the contributions of one particular group of people, namely the staff in our departments and their colleagues throughout the university. They work incredibly hard, often unseen, to make your time here a success. They take great pride and pleasure in days such as today. And when they see you take such a significant step in your respective lives, it's a joy. So please join me in thanking them all for what they've done to contribute to your achievement. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. For those of you not familiar with the great history of this university, Aberystwyth is the oldest university in Wales. Established over 150 years ago, we are extremely proud of our heritage in making a key contribution to the life of our nation. Our mission is to change lives for the better through all we do. That includes education and academic research. And it is important to recognise that both of those elements impact on people from all over the world. Whether it's someone who's grown up in Aberystwyth or someone from the farthest reaches of our planet, this institution continues to be a beacon of light, growing knowledge which makes the world a better place. Our students and staff contribute a huge range of cultures and languages to our community here, which reflects how Aberystwyth attracts expertise and learners from all over the world. We are very proud to conduct the ceremonial elements of this occasion in the language of our home nation, Welsh. It is the language in which many generations of Aberystwyth graduates have been honoured and welcomed into our family of alumni. Today, you too join that worldwide family. I warmly congratulate you. It is an achievement and an honour. So please make the most of today. Enjoy the ceremony. Cheer loudly for all those whose success is the focus of these celebrations, because it is an occasion upon which you will look back with great pride. Cofiwch eich bod yn rhan o deulu Aberystwyth. Dowch yn ôl i ymweld â ni ar bob cyfri. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd. Remember that you are now a member of the Aberystwyth family. Do come back to visit at any time. Thank you most sincerely. Diolch yn fawr.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol, y cynhelir cynulliad awdurdodedig heddiw yma yn nhref Aberystwyth. Trwy awdurdod Siarter Brenhinol Prifysgol Aberystwyth, yr ydyn yn ymgynnull i dderbyn yw priodwobrau fyfyrwyr sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw wobrau. Dathlu neu llwyddiant, yn y gobaith y cant fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl i wasanaethu ei hoes a'i cenhedloedd, a thrwy ei hymdrechion a'i cyflawniadau y cyfrannant at wybodaeth a bydd cenedlaethau i ddod, ac ymrafael ar heriau sy'n wynebu ein byd. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth. Gorau awen gwirionedd. The best inspiration is truth. Let it be known to members of the university and to all here present that today an authorised congregation is being held here in the town of Aberystwyth. By the authority of the Royal Charter of Aberystwyth University, we meet to receive to their appropriate awards those students who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of their awards. We celebrate their success in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their countries, but also that through their efforts and achievements, they may contribute to knowledge and well-being for future generations and confront the challenges that face our world. A world without knowledge is no world at all. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth.
Anrydeddus, Derbwi Ysgrifennwr. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwraig o'n hadran ni a enillodd dystysgrif addysg uwch. Kelly Okome.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol am ddriedwyd i mi, rwy'n cadarnhau eich bod wedi derbyn tystygrydd addysg uwch a holl iawr tystygrydd hon.
Bod eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrydeddus dderbwi Ysgrifennwr. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd sylfaen mewn gwyddoniaeth. Teleri Williams. Emily Lee Miller. Agatha Evans. Mia Joyce. Chelsea Pereira Swainson.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol am ddiriedwyd i mi, debyniaeth chwi i radd sylfaen mewn gwaithoniaeth ac i holl iawr radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrydeddus dderbri Ysgrifennu. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni enillodd radd baglwr yn y celfyddydau. Naomi Olive Finch Webb. Ren Elizabeth Goodman. Millie Adams. Joshua Adkins. Stefania Alonso. Erin Francis Campbell. Liam Harrington. Kate Hennessy. Holly Stoneman. Didi Stormquist. Louisa May Taylor. Molly Thackeray. Sophie Webb. Poppy Wilson. Noah Hicks. Holly Parsonage. Emily French Simpson. Emma Irving. Isabella Josephine Juliet Toms Arbel. Maisie Woodgate. Aidan Jordan. Sarah Batrisha Damia Binti Alwi. Benjamin Coleman. Eleanor May Goma. Caris Halsall Jolly. Safia Hans. Molly Rose Harding. Scarlett Abigail Hutchinson. George Joyner. Evan Lation James. Amelia McIntosh. Sophie Meaton. Julia Piers Galska. Esme Pikett. Olivia Rose Sandu. Tess Rhiannon Matthews Shelley. Daniel Still. Harriet Stoneman. Amy Thomas, Ella Winnie, Diego Alexandre, Patrick Ash, Charlotte Bulling, George Cater, Emmy Chamberlain Morris, Millie Chesters, Layla Valerie Moss Clover, Demi Lee Cooney, Abigail Cox, Molly Dobbs, Sofia Florencia Garrido Sorita, Madison Gerling, Emily Hill, Sinead Jenkins, River Layton.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyrniad chwi I radd bachlor yn y cylffyddydau ac I holl ffreniawr radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus ddepri Ysgrifennu. Cyflwynaf I chi myfyrwyr o'n hadrannu yn echlodd radd baglo yn y celfyddydau. Natasha Matthews. Bobby Jean Maybury. Eloise Mountford. Charlotte Napier. Michael Pook. Emily Priest. William James Price. Cerys Richards. Tabitha Rowlands Matthews. Scarlett Steele. Ekaterina Stepanova. Jacob Thorpe. Merlin Thomas. Atlas Weston. Olivia Barr. Elish Grace Royal. Olani Swain. McKenna Elizabeth Gregson. Titu Hindam. Anya Quinn. Leah Morton. Danielle Ball. Stefan Bridle. Megan May Takioen. Charlotte Beardsmore. Eve Walker. Holly Wright. Samantha Buckley. Ben Chelska. Luca Labib. Jasper O'Brien. Lola Kemenur. Phoebe Rawlings. Dougie Turner. Jay Boland. Tam Wilson. Leah Loyne.
Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi, debyniaf chwi I radd bachlor yn y celfyddydau ac I holl ffreniawr radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrydyddus dderbwy Ysgrifennu. Cyflwynaf chi myfyrwyr yn hadrannu a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Hannah Davey. Rhian Griffiths. Victoria Innes. Emily Lee Miller. Millie Sigsworth. Jack Stevens. Molly Harrison. Samuel Richmond Hilliard. Phoenix Chapel. Esther Grace Dyma. Laurie Owen. Julia Woods. Tilly Neri. Sarah Odendahl. Emily Puck. Emma Roberts. Aaron Robertson. Elijah John Whips. Cameron Anderson. Johan Davis. Lois James. Johan Jones. Owen Owen. Daisy Williams. Leanne Wood. Lucy Brooke. Neve Johnson. Catherine Lake. Harry Mishral. Nicole Pacheco-Danielski. Caitlin Tomlinson. Grace Ifeoluwakishi Athakami Sado. Jade Guildford. Olivia Llewellyn. Bryn Waldock. Lauren Venner. Katie Jane Birchall. Erin Egan Burns. Saskia Murphy. Annalise Yasmin Vaughan. Finley Allison. Lucy Bryant. Madison Palin. Amani Taher Rafiq. Evelyn Robbins. Emily O'Neill. Willow Wells. Lorna Barron. Caleb Black. Lily Burgess. Jamie Lee Clark. Noah Chrisman Pettit. Fionn Daly. Phoebe Daniel. Eva Davis. Sophie Davis. China Elroy. Shannon Evans. Madeline Flint. Isabella Harry. Ewan Hurst. Charlotte Hobbs. Luke Hughes. Emily Hurry. Mohammed Aman Jabbar. Holly Jones. Becca Keane. Amin Koshgabari. Emma Kirby. Yasmin Lamnia. Bethany Lewis. Shannon Lissa Lim Hanzi. Abigail Nixon. Annabelle Rose O'Reilly. Maria Prediger. William Rawlinson. Landon Roberts. Tyler Schmidt. Faith Swain. Solomon Thomas. Natalia Kaplan. Amy Marsh. Eleanor Mary Rubottom. Cheyenne Tameo. Hannah Booth.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd i mi, debyniaf chwi i rath bachlo mewn gwaithoniaeth ac i holl ffreniawr rath hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus ddepri isganhello. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni yn echlodd radd baglo yn y cylfryddiau. Emma Healy.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi, debynnaf I chwi I radd bachlor yn y cyfryddau ac I holl ffreniawr radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus ddepri isganhello. Gyflwynhath I hi pyfyru o'n hadran ni anithloff Ysgrifennu Creadigol y Brifysgol. Cerys Evans.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi, rwy'n cadarnhau eich bod wedi derbyn tystygrydd uwchraddedig I Brifysgol ac I holl ffreniawr dystygrydd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn i'r cymhwyster hwn.
Anrhydeddus ddepri isganhello. Cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni yn echlodd radd athro yn y celfyddydau. Sammy Rowland Acarili. Daisy Francesca Atkins. Joseph Dewsbury. Rose Gifford. Loki Lim. Corey Marchinkowski. Brianna Lindsay. Yestin Tudor. Esperanza Atana Bathama Munier. Emily Elizabeth Davis. Rhiannon Divanicus. Arabella Kennedy Hughes. Samuel Watkin Taylor.
Trwy awdurdod y Brifysgol ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbynaf chwi I rath athro yn y celfyddydau ac I hoff ffreniau rath hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydeddus thyrpri isganghithlo, cyflynhath I hi, myfyrwyr o'n hadran ni, anithlodd rath, athro mewn gwyddoniaeth. Constance Chibaliti. Matthew Collinson. Ellen Davis. Emma Jones. Kira Jade Newey. Ilona Shadrack. Catherine Louise Jones.
Anrydeddus dderpwy isgangello. Cyflonaf I chi myfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth. Lisa Ann Bucknor. Ben Clark. Elizabeth Kerris Harvey. Jessica Harvey Wells. Dominic Guy Francis Hall. Sophie Scott. Catherine Clare Kellett. Sajawal Asif. Manisha Burra. Lalian Michelle.
Trwy ardurdod y brifysgol am ddiriedwyd I mi, dibynio'r chwi I rath athro mewn gwaithoniaeth ac I holl ffreniawr rath hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anri Davies, Thir Pri Isgang Hithlo, Cyflyn Half hi, Fyfyrwy on Hadran ni, Anithloth Rath, Athro Mawn Umquil. Syrian Evans.
Anfydeddus Dyr Pwy Ysganghellor. Cyflwyno fi chi fyfyrwyr o'r hadran ni a henellodd radd athro mewn ymchwil. Nadia Shama.
Trwy ardurdod brifysgol am ddiriedwyd I mi, dibynaf chwi I rath athro mewn ymchwil ac I hoff ffriniawr rath hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anri Davies, Thir Pri Isgang Hithlo, Cyflyn Half hi, Fyfyrwy on Hadran ni, Anithloth, Rath, Dotheriaeth Professional. Victoria Harris.
Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol am ddiriedwyd i mi, debyniaeth chwi i rath doethyr broffesiynol ac i holl ffreniawr rath hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethyr.
Anri Davies, Thurpri. Isgang Hithlo, Cyflyn Harp I Hi. Fyfyri on hadran ni, a nithloth rath, doetha, miawn, aethroniaeth. Rachel Dye. Felix Townsend.
Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol am ddiriedwyd i mi, debyniaeth chwi i rath doethyr mewn aethroniaeth ac i holl ffreniawr rath hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethuriaid.
Anrhydeddus ddepri Isganhelllo. Cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni yn echlodd radd doethe mewn athroniaeth. Andrew James Morgan. Bronwen Lowry.
Trwy awdurdod y brifysgol am ddiriedwyd i mi, debyniaeth chwi i rath doethyr mewn aethroniaeth ac i holl ffreniawr rath hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethuriaid.
Ddirprwy gangellor, ddirprwy is-gangellor, raddedigion gyfeillion. Pleser o'r mwyaf yw cyflwyno Sir George Berwick yn gymrawd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Pro-Chancellor, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, graduates and supporters, it is an honour and a privilege to present Sir George Berwick as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University. As you will note, Sir George already enjoys several honours and titles, and we at Aberystwyth University are honoured to add to those accolades. Sir George began his journey towards his current acclaimed status as a leader in educational circles here at Aberystwyth University. Mae'r athro George Berwick yn un o'r raddedigion Prifysgol Aberystwyth ac rydym yn hynod falch o'r cyfle i nodi ein gwerthfawrogiad a'n cydnabyddiaeth personol ni o'i gyreiddiadau lluosog. Sir George's many achievements have led to his knighthood for his visionary, pioneering work in education. That has made an incredible contribution to the improvement and development of education within UK schools and internationally. Mae Sir Berwick yn arweinydd addysgol uchel ei barch, sydd wedi cael ei urddon farchog am ei waith arloesol ym maes addysg a sydd wedi cyfrannu'n sylweddol at wella ysgolion yn y Deyrnas Unedig ac yn ryngwladol. During his career, he has led institutions rated as outstanding by Ofsted. Anybody who has been the subject of a school or school's inspection will appreciate just how outstanding that achievement really is. Using this knowledge, the research from his PhD in school effectiveness from UEA, and his background in designing and implementing information systems, he and his team were pivotal in developing the role of the national leaders of education and the concept of teaching schools. The programmes he developed with his teams to enhance the quality of teaching and learning, peer review, and the leadership of schools are currently being used by over 1,000 schools internationally. He was one of the architects of the London Challenge, a programme to improve pupil outcomes in London schools in partnership with local authorities and expert advisors. It is clear that collaboration and co-creation are key to his professional approach, because he also co-founded Challenge Partners, a national partnership at UK level for schools and trusts that focuses on collaboration, challenge, and leadership development to transform school communities. Aberystwyth University's current strategy focuses on growing knowledge and building communities, and Sir George has dedicated his professional life to achieving both these goals through his coaching and mentoring and his publications, including the Upwards Conversions Journal. He continues to share influential insights on leadership, collaboration, and sustainable educational reform. As the current chairman of Olevi International, project director for the Western Quebec Board, and visiting professor, his inspirational leadership, coupled with his numerous system-wide approaches to school improvement based around the effective management of knowledge, have helped to transform the educational opportunities of countless young people. It comes as no surprise that he was awarded a CBE in 2007 for his contribution to the London Leadership Strategy, and that his advice has been sought by Number 10, the Cabinet Office, and the English sector of the Quebec Provincial Government. In 2016, Sir George was recognised by the Times as one of the 500 most influential people in the United Kingdom. In 2026, he is recognised by Aberystwyth University for his contribution to a field that is fundamental to our strategy, our aims, and our ambitions. Ddirprwy gangellor, mae'n bleser gen I gyflwyno yr athro Sir George Berwick I chi yn gymrawd. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, it is my absolute pleasure to present Professor Sir George Berwick to you as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University.
da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn gymrawd.
A bit frightening, wasn't it? I didn't recognise myself there. I'm sorry. I just need a second or so. It's at my age, I can't even remember which way to put around my laptop. Hang on, I'll get there. While you were in one of my previous existences, I was a head teacher of a school in Bromley. It had some very interesting old boys. One was called David Bowie. Another one was called Peter Frampton. Another one we call Hanish Karif, for those who might recognise those names. So you can see I've had quite a tasting interest as a head teacher. And before I start, I'm going to say, I would say one thing to all the students here, is that like me, and like all the rest of us who went to ABBA, that award you've just got will be one of the things that doesn't change. Lots of other things will change, but I'm the same as you. We're the same. Vice-Chancellor, members of the university governing body, distinguished guests, graduates, families and friends. I would like to start by thanking the Chancellor, the Vice-Chancellor, and the university's governing body for the great honour of appointing me as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University. This recognition is particularly meaningful because it brought me back when my only journey began like you, except mine took place between 1968 and 1971, when status quo would just about deem to come across and play in the hall. I met my wife here. She studied history because she was a proper graduate, and I did education. I came to read geography, but I looked at the list of their A-level results and decided I was on a hiding for nothing, so I decided that I would do education instead. Over time, this is only lodged in my memory, as it's interesting to note that we have very few pictures of our time at ABBA. Camera and films were expensive then, and we had to send the negatives away to Bonus Print to get them printed. Then, only to find out 2 weeks later that we'd missed the image anyway, and the ones we really wanted hadn't come out, which I'm sure with all the new technology is not the case where you're concerned. Aberystwyth was also a very different university there. There were 1,970 students, and predominantly male at that time. And looking at the audience today, there were very few females or ladies who did sciences in those days. Ladies did the arts, the boys did the sciences and the maths. But many of the students then came from the industrial part of South Wales. My wife hails from the grammar school, from my state grammar school, and lots of the students came from the grammar schools in the valleys. The rest came from the countryside rural communities of Wales, of this extremely proud nation, and a small contingent of English students, including me. Maria and I met here in December 1968, the end of term dance. More than 50 years later, we are still together now with our 2 daughters, their husbands and our 3 grandchildren. That alone tells you something about the lasting influence the university has on our lives. The truth is, I was never expected to go to university. At 14, I was to leave school. You could leave school then in those days and be a painter and decorator. After I scraped through my A-levels, they decided I'd be a good army officer. I never even applied to university because no one expected me to. I was considered much better at sport than academic work. As my careers teacher said to me, "Young Berwick, do something with your hands and feet rather than sitting on your backside reading books." Fortunately, my A-level results turned out far better than anyone anticipated, including me. And as I'm extremely self-confident, that's quite something. Anyway, as a result of this, a door unexpectedly opened. But I was not at school anymore, I'd left. So I had to make up my own mind about what university I would go to. And I decided I would pick Aberystwyth, partly because at that time I was rugby mad. And the legendary Carwyn James, who coached the British Lions in Wales, and John Dawes had studied here. It also had a 200-metre straight track. And as I was into track athletics, it was the only university in the UK that had a 200, amazing, isn't it? You think of these things. But anyway, it had a 200, I don't know what it's still got, I was going to check. Anyway. But also, the most important thing, Aberystwyth offered me a chance. Looking back, the greatest gift the university gave me was not simple knowledge, it was confidence. When I arrived, I had no academic voice. I'd sat in my classroom most of the time trying to disrupt lessons, and the conversation between me and the teacher was normal about my behaviour rather than my academic prowess. And so when I was faced attending the first educational philosophy seminar, I tried to avoid, much to everyone's surprise, in the future I would have thought, to say anything. Towards the end, there was a Dr. Thomas who asked for my opinion. I stumbled about some answer. And afterwards, instead of criticising me, he greatly encouraged me to contribute just one small idea each week. That simple encouragement changed my life. During the next few weeks, my confidence grew. I began to discover that my ideas had some value. He also taught me that if I wanted to be a successful teacher, which was my ambition, I would have to find my rewards in unreservedly helping young people to be successful. Looking back, I realized he was helping me to see that teaching was not a bargain process. At its best, it helps people discover their own voice. As I look around at you today in this hall, I know that most of you graduates belong to a different generation and have experienced a totally different university. But I expect that the most important lesson we learned remains exactly the same. Your degree that you've been awarded today will open doors for you. But the question will be is whether you have the character, the curiosity, and the willingness to encourage others will determine what you do once you walk through that door. For me, everything that followed in my life and career began with that opportunity this university gave me, a rather uncertain young man who simply needed someone to believe in them. For that and for this extraordinary honour, I offer my sincere thanks. To the parents and friends of today's graduates, I was so impressed with that young man who sat through all this. We hope you are justly proud of your relations' achievements and enjoy this opportunity to celebrate it with them. To the university, I would like to thank you, and I feel that I should call out at least 3 people who helped me so much, as well as Dr. Thomas, and that would be Mr. Evans, Mr. Archer, who were both on the sports side, so you can see where I spent a lot of my time, and Dr. Williams, who taught me educational psychology and set out in thought my trains of thought. But finally, to you, the graduates, I congratulate you. I hope that many years from now, you will look back at your time in Aber with the same gratitude and affection that Maria and I feel today. And like us, you will realize that nurture and nature play a great side in shaping our lives. Serendipity plays its part as well. Congratulations. Thank you for listening to me.
Prynhawn da bawb, fy enw I yw'r athro Ian Barber a fi yw diprwy I Sganghellor y Brifysgol. Mae'n bleser dechrau trwy ddweud llongyffachiau mawr iawn I chi heddiw. So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Professor Ian Barber. I'm the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Sciences here at Aberystwyth University. And it's with real pleasure that I can begin my address to you all here today with a huge llongyffachiadau. Congratulations from us all. With that mutual doffing of our mortarboards as you cross the stage today, so much doffing. Not only did you graduate and take a significant stride forward in your chosen field or career, but you also cemented your place as part of our family. That is the worldwide family of Aberystwyth University alumni. A very warm welcome to that family. I can tell you from experience, it's one that if you so wish, will embrace you and support you for many, many years to come. And be in no doubt whatsoever, you have deserved this. You have worked hard, you've had good times, and no doubt you've had some challenging times too, but you've made it. You are here, and we are privileged to be able to share this day with you. Rydych chi'n heiddi ddathlu heddiw. Diwrnod chi yw a chrydi I a staff a brifysgol yn ddiolchgar am y cyfle I rannu'r diwrnod gyda chi. You deserve to celebrate today. It's your day. And I, along with all of my university colleagues here, am grateful for the opportunity to share the day with you. So for me, it's extra special to see your achievements. I've attended these ceremonies in Aberystwyth over 2 different phases of my own career across a 25-year period. First as a research fellow, then a lecturer, and then as a head of department, and for this year, for the first time as a faculty pro-vice-chancellor. Over that time, I have taught, tutored, and supervised many students here, including some that have passed over the stage today. And I see firsthand, time and time again, the transformational impact of an Aberystwyth degree on our students' lives and careers. As staff, we see you on your first days during Welcome Week, taking your first, sometimes nervous or tentative, anxious steps into the next phase of your lives. And we see you grow, we see you develop and flourish during your time with us, which flashes by so quickly. We see you overcome challenges and hurdles and some of the more difficult things that life can sometimes throw at you. Sometimes I'm not sure that you always recognize the incredible development and the leaps that you make during this time, but we see it year after year, and we are so proud of everything that you've achieved. Looking back, I can see the profound impact that this university and this town has had on my own life and on the lives of so many others. In my case, Aberystwyth provided my first academic home and taught me the value of a real academic community. I never dreamt in a million years back then that I would get the opportunity to take the stage as a Pro-Vice-Chancellor and have the honour of conferring degrees on our students. But the funny thing about this place is that it never really leaves you, no matter how far you go or how far away you are for. There is something intangible about Aberystwyth that many of us find difficult to describe. You may feel this already on a special day like this, but believe me, over the years, this feeling will only get stronger. Mae Aber nawr yn rhan ohonoch chi, fydd yn byth yn gadael chi. Dwi'n gwybod hynny'n fyw na neb. For me, this graduation week is the highlight of our academic year. Like many colleagues, I see graduations as a great time of celebration and a time when we look at you, our graduates, and admire the journey that you have been on and feel gratitude and pride that we've been able to play a small part in your journeys. It's therefore a huge privilege and honour to work with each and every one of you and to see you move on to the next stage of your lives and your careers. Now, we all know that there is an awful lot going on in the world today that challenges us, and that's been true for some time now. You are a generation that has been through the COVID pandemic, as hard as that was for so many different reasons. You've come through testing economic times and witnessed global instability, the likes of which we've not been experienced in most of our lifetimes. And with all of that going on around you, you have successfully graduated. To do so, you have shown great resilience and determination, as well as a huge amount of talent. Now, the planet will continue to face significant challenges: financial, political, environmental. There will be wars and instability. But I, for one, take great comfort and excitement knowing that the solutions to many of those challenges will be shaped by you, Aberystwyth graduates, and graduates like you all over the globe. The future is indeed bright. I'd like to reiterate something that the Chancellor said a little earlier. You may see some of those people that have helped you throughout your studies here, lecturers and other university staff. I can honestly say that the staff here are completely dedicated and committed to your success, and I know that today's ceremony will bring a great deal of pride and emotion for them. Felly, diolch yn fawr iawn I staff y Brifysgol. A big thank you to the university's staff. But looking around you today, many of you will see friends, supporters, family members, and others who have been with you through your journey and have supported you along your way, and for a long time before you came to Aberystwyth. Perhaps even more poignantly, I dare say that some of you will be thinking of those friends and family members who are unable to be with us today. Whoever it is who has supported you on your journey towards this graduation, I would like you to stand now, graduates, and feel free to give them a wave if they're here. Hold them in your thoughts and thank them for all that they've done. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Now, that worldwide family of Aberystwyth alumni I was referring to earlier, well, it's a pretty big family. That's because we've been doing what we do here in Aberystwyth for over 150 years now. A century and a half of academic excellence, of career-changing experiences, and of partnerships and friendships established. Please do stay in touch with us and stay in touch with your fellow Aberystwyth alumni. You may sit down now. Nawr, cyn gorffen y seremoni, hoffwn I ddweud ynaith eto po mor falch ydyn ni ohonoch chi. Before you go and celebrate, I would just like to reiterate that we are immensely proud of what you have achieved. We are grateful to those who have supported you, and we wish you every success in whatever it is that you choose to do next. Always hold a special place in your heart for Aberystwyth. Go into everything that you do as an energy giver, not an energy taker. Be confident in your abilities and your expertise to make your mark in the world and do what generations of Aberystwyth graduates have done before you. Make a difference and change lives for the better. Thank you very much indeed. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you. So in time-honoured tradition, to conclude, please do join with me and my colleagues as we close our ceremony today by the singing of the Welsh national anthem, Hen Wlad na fy Nanhadau. Please be upstanding for the anthem.